Hi, what's up guys? So today we're going to be filming a new video. So yeah. Stay tuned to the end of the video and yay! Hi guys, I'm the new plushie, Nightmare Foxy. I am the second new plushie, Mr. Hippo.
Hi, I'm the third new plushie. I'm Phantom Balloon Boy. Alright guys, so I'm Nightmare Bonnie, if you guys know. So we're basically going to be doing a surprise video, so stay tuned. Can you guys tell me if he's like a Hot Topic exclusive or a Walmart or Target exclusive? Because I've been trying to find out. Alright, thank you guys. Alright, let's get right into the video. Alright, so I was gonna talk to you guys about like us like going to school. Remember how we have summer school? Yeah, it sucks. Yeah, it totally sucks. Alright guys, we're back. Alright guys, so if you guys want to start heading out, you can. So alright, nice. We have to go home with Foxy. Alright, bye guys. Bye, nice seeing you. Bye, nice meeting you. Bye. Foxy, we have to go home. I might just stay. I'm gonna act like I'm going home, but then I'm gonna see, and then I'm just gonna leave Global all by himself, and then walk back and come back. Alright, bye guys. It's so cool. Yeah, it's so cold.
Yeah, it's so cold.
Alright guys, I'm back. I just went to drop my brother off because my dad said that I have to. Alright, can I go check on him? No, you don't need to. He's fine. Alright, I'll be right back. Hey, aren't you Foxy's brother? Yeah? Where is he? He came back from over there. When when he said that your dad said to drop you off. No, he never said. My dad never said that. Well, that's what he said, so I don't know who to believe. You should believe me. I never lie. Alright, let's go back to confront him. Hey, Foxy, look who I found. Lying on the streets alone. That you know. And you know that you did it. Look who I found.
Who'd you find?
Bonnie, I can explain. I can explain. Oh no, you can't. I'm telling Dad. No, please, please. I beg you. I don't care. But I am gonna go tell him. Balloon Boy, can you take me home? Yeah, sure. Anytime. Let's go. Bye, Foxy. No. What was that crashing sound? Huh? Oh. I have to take my NyQuil. Huh? No, 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 Balloon Boy. He's not breathing. Bonnie, please say you're breathing. All right, he's still breathing, but he's passed out. Wait, he's not breathing. Please, please. No, Dad's gonna get so mad at me. "10 minutes later. Hey, where's Foxy? Yo no sé, señor. Yeah, I'm gonna go check. Huh? What the heck? Boom. Boom. Is it? He's not breathing. Come on. Come on. I gotta take all these guys. Finish Balloon Boy. Alright, you're dead. Now, second you Foxy. Wait, I'm just passed out! Let me go! Alright. Ow. I'm gonna get Bonnie. Hey, Freddy. I'm sorry. We can't go to the movies tomorrow. It's fine. I'll miss you so much, not Bonnie. I'll come back to see you tomorrow. Springtrap, can I make an announcement? Yeah, sure, come on up. I feel like I gotta go to sleep. Drink some NyQuil. Go. Springtrap. Landmark Freddy's gonna make an announcement. Oh yeah. Let me just watch that first and then go to sleep. I have to drink more after that. Alright. Can you move out of the way, guys? Thanks. Alright, guys, so, can we please settle down, please? Please! I want to announce something. I was looking through the woods right now, and guess what I saw? What? I saw Balloon Boy was taking that Bonnie home, and then they crashed, and then Foxy went, and he literally looked for a second, and then he passed out. But he's over there. Huh? Oh, yeah. So please, give it up for Bonnie and Balloon Boy. Thank you, guys.
I can achieve anything I put my mind to.
Yes, senor! Yes, senor. That was the most amazing presentation I've ever said. Thank you. Thank you. So I just wanted to announce something. The graveyard is over there. I'm good.
Yeah, you could see Foxy. But thank you guys for presenting here. That's so sad. Excuse me.
Can I announce something, Principal?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, hi, guys. Hi. As you guys heard, Bonnie died a sad and slow death and painful. So did Belingo. But if we take him to the hospital in time and they recover, we will have the best school in the whole wide world. So, I'll be back, guys. Alright. Bring Foxy back first. Alright, Foxy. We're gonna go back, okay? Alright. Alright.
Just making me look at them. It's so sad.
I've one thing to say. What? I love you guys as much as I love the world. More, I love all you guys more than I love the world.
No. No.
I have one thing to say too. I'm so thankful for you guys putting me down so I don't have to suffer more. I love you guys all so much. Oh, so much. Unless I could revive both of us. If I could, I would.
As you guys know, they suffered a sad and painful death.
I think I can stand. Oh, it's so hard. Oh, I can't. I can't. I can't. Why though? No! Ah! Ow! That did hurt, but I'm good. I think I can stand. Okay, guys. I can't stand. Oh, no, not the spring locks. No. Oh. 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 forgot about those. Ah! Ah! Oh! Oh!
That was so painful to watch.
What? Sorry, guys. I'm sorry, guys. It was a sad, painful death. Please forgive us. We didn't mean to die. Get out of there, Foxy. I love you so much, honey. Please, I forgive you. Please come back to life. Please, I would be right here again. I'm so sorry, guys. Why do I feel like I can revive myself? What? Ow! That hurt a little bit. It tastes like blood. At least I'm back to life, though. Where's Balloon Boy? He has saved my life, basically. Okay, you don't have to be here, because you suck. Nobody wants you as a teacher. I feel it. Ow! I need to go to sleep. I tasted it. It did taste good. It did taste good. I think I can maybe like put a little bit more.
Alright guys, so what would you guys like to say? Because you guys came out alive.
I would say I'm very thankful for God because He literally made us come back to life. So He gave us the power to bring back the spring locks. And that is super helpful because those spring locks hurt a lot. But it still tastes like blood. Only for a little bit. Yeah, it does.
Well, that's good.
That's good to hear. That's good. That's good. Well, that is the end of our assembly today. So if everybody would like to leave, thank you for coming.
Hey, what's up? All you lovely people.
Thank you all guys very much. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video, and like and subscribe. Yeah. Everyone, what should they do? Like and subscribe. Yeah, and if you want to see more videos, subscribe and turn on the notification bells. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe as always. Bye. Alright, so yeah, back to summer school. Yeah, it sucked. I know what you're gonna say. Yeah, me too. I agree with Nightmare Bonnie. Who am I with? You could be with us. Okay, thanks. What are you guys gonna dress up for Halloween?
I'm gonna be, myself. That's cool, right, guys?
No.
No.
Kind of, not really.
Oh, I thought it was cool. Sorry.
I'm gonna be, basically myself, but, like, in the actual game, so, yeah. I'm gonna try to dress up as, Withered Bonnie. Because I love Withered Bonnie as my friend. I love him. Now you share, Jackal Bonnie.
Okay, I'm gonna be like Springtrap, but like, Burn Trap. I'm gonna be Burn Trap. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a really cool costume. I agree with Bonnie.
Me too. Alright, so, what do you guys want to talk about? I don't know. Can we talk about, like having girlfriends? No, Toy Bonnie. No, and no, I'm not being your girlfriend. Aw, I want Toy Tika. Or someone else. Can you see I'm chewing gum? I might throw up because how weird your conversation is, so shut up. Okay. Can we go on a date? I just said I'm not being your girlfriend. Oh yeah, I'm done. Toy Bonnie, you're actually right for the first time. Thanks. Well, that's kind of offensive, but thanks. Alright, so, what do you guys want to talk about?
I want to talk about summer school. So Springtrap, you're the dad of Nightmare Bonnie, right?
Hey, who called me?
No, Nightmare Bonnie.
Yes, I am. Yeah.
And your dad is Springtrap too because he's the parent basically of all phantoms because he's the one that was in. That's the first time he appeared. So your dad, you're basically Nightmare Bonnie's brother. So you guys will be in the same class. So will you, Foxy. Oh, dang it! I don't want to be in this class. Well, you're gonna have to. You guys. Remember, Bonnie's in 4th grade. Foxy, you're in 1st grade because you were in FNAF 1. You're in 3rd grade because you were in FNAF 3. And all those kids over there, Nightmare Foxy, Nightmare Bonnie, and Nightmare Mango, they're all in 4th grade because they're all nightmares. All nightmares go to 4th grade. So, yeah, because they went FNAF 4. And you're the only one that, no, Springtrap, you don't go to school, but you're the only one that is going in 3rd grade because not just you. It would be Springtrap if he wasn't that old. If he was still a kid, he would have been in your class, but you're gonna be in 3rd grade. All right. Can I talk about how annoying Nightmare Bonnie is? Do we have to talk about that? Yes. So, he's so annoying, I don't even want to be in his class. I'm okay. I would agree with you, Foxy, because he's so annoying. Exactly. That I agree a lot with what Balloon Boy said. Well, if you guys are gonna cry that bad, you're both gonna be in 1st grade. But I'm supposed to be in 3rd grade, so you can't do that. Well, I actually can because I'm the principal. Oh yeah, I forgot. Let's switch spots, Foxy. All right. I could barely sit on that chair. All right. So yeah. Yes. You guys are gonna be in the. He's 3 grades higher than you because you were in FNAF 1 and you're in 1st grade. So yeah. I should literally be in like 8th or 9th grade. I know science already. I should be in high school or college. Fun. You go to high school or college. I will message all the schools. High school and college, and they will decide where you will go. All right. All right.
Use Priceline. Their package deals no one else has.
Sorry.
When you realize your new passion is your life passion, ask, now what? Who's your rock?
I'm gonna go announce something. Okay. Actually, Springtrap, you can announce it.
Alright, sick. All right, guys. So as you know, there is a please, everyone, attention. So there is so we're gonna be announcing the people that are in a grade. Okay. So Lefty, you're in 6th grade. Yes. Glamrock Chica, you are in 7th grade. Yes. Bonnie, you are in 1st grade. Alright, sick. Jacko Bonnie, you are in 8th grade. Yes. Blue purple colored Foxy, you are in 9th grade. Yes. Toy Bonnie, you're in 2nd grade. Oh, that sucks, but I'm fine with that. Roxanne Wolf, you are in 7th grade. Yes. Nightmare Foxy, you are in 4th grade. Yes. Nightmare Mangle, you are in 4th grade as well. Yes. Nightmare Bonnie, you are in 4th grade as well. Yes. Phantom Balloon Boy, you are in 3rd grade. Okay. Foxy, you might be in high school or college. That's the highest grade in the whole school. Can you shut up, Toy Bonnie? Yeah, I can shut up. That was weird. All right, guys. So we will be announcing your teachers. Lefty, your teacher is Orphan the Elephant. Whoever is in 6th grade, raise your hand. Alright, it seems like there's actually no one else. So guys, we're late. We're so sorry. It's fine. Alright, so whoever's in 6th grade, raise your hand. Me. So your teacher will be Orphan the Elephant. Kind of sucks, but he's okay. If you are in 7th grade, raise your hand. Me. Sorry, guys. I have to go get a couple more plushies. Alright, so if you are in, let me look at the book. Sorry, señor, yo estoy, tarde. Okay, yo me voy a sentar aquí. I'm sorry I was late. Where can I sit? I want to sit with them. Cool kids. I'm gonna sit with them. They look cool. Hi, guys. Hi. I'll sit right here. Yeah. Thanks. You're welcome. All right, guys, please stop talking. Okay, guys, sorry. So whoever's in 7th grade, right, just say me, 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 me. Anybody else? Me. Nobody else? Okay. Anyone that was from 6th grade that was not here. Y'all. Me. Anyone else? No. Alright, so 5th grade, there's no one in 5th grade. 4th grade, 6th, 7th grade, your teacher will be Vanny. No, I mean, it will be, Glamrock Chica. Alright, 4th grade, your teacher will be Nightmare Bagel. So, if you are in 4th grade, raise your hand, okay? Okay. Me. Alright, that's all 1st grade? Yes. Okay. Alright. 3rd grade, raise your hand. Me. Alright, your teacher will be actually me, so yeah. Cool. 2nd grade, raise your hand if you're in 2nd grade. I'm in 2nd grade. Me too. Alright, so your teacher will be, it will actually be, it will be Helpy. Alright, 1st grade, raise your hand. Me. Alright, your teacher will be, Vanny. Oh, dang it, I don't like her, she's mean. Anybody that was not here while I announced the names. Me. Well, no, I was here. Okay, so Rockstar Foxy, you will be in 6th grade. Helpy, you'll be in 6th grade. So yeah, all right, guys, I'm gonna stop recording right here. I need to use the restroom.